Realize your ultimate making fantasies with the Pro at your desktop. Introducing Snapmaker Artisan 3-in-1 3D printer. Customize your lifestyle and work style with 3D printing, laser engraving and cutting, and CNC machining. From large drafts to accurate details, Artisan has you covered. It ensures minimal wobble even in fast mode CNC machining with a base plate cast as a single piece. The linear modules employ industrial-grade transmission technology to help you power through high-speed making with striking precision and stability. Slide and click, swap between functions in 1 minute with no tool needed, and create large or multiple objects with the large workspace. Equipped enclosure auto-detects door opening to pause the operation and shields you from laser and noise. The advanced UI features refined infrastructure and job preview. And with the ultra-wide touchscreen, everything is at your fingertips. Sound alerts to leave you no surprise, or good surprise only. And the emergency stop keeps you safe. Snapmaker Luban one-cam software that supports all 3 functions. Simply connect to Wi-Fi and click to start. 3D printing comes with auto-leveling, enhancing first-layer adhesion. Dual extrusion and compatibility with multiple nozzle sizes cut out constraints. Luban auto-detects the sizes and types of nozzles and offers respective filament selection and slicing. The zone-heated bed lets you save time and power for smaller prints. And with nozzle temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius and an optimized cooling system, you can benefit from water-soluble support, embracing complex geometries and exquisite details. It also brings breakaway support into play, which can be easily removed and leave you with fine finishes. And you can explore different combos of properties with various materials supported. The 10-watt laser module features an upgraded camera capture. It brings an instant preview in Luban. Autofocusing gets done in a few seconds with the triangulation technique. The laser beam splitters work with beam shaping optics to break the power barrier and compress high energy into ultra-fine laser focus. Depth is no longer a problem. You can now laser engrave and cut diverse materials, from those you see in everyday life to those used by studios. The CNC module employs a standard ER11 collet to support over 100 bits. CNC presets and job previews are set in Luban to reduce errors and downtime. 200-watt CNC and the high spindle speed yield smooth surfaces in less time, supporting a wide range of materials, from hard to soft, high density to low. Rigidity is redefined by the all-metal design. With the filament dryer, air purifier, and 4-axis and 5-axis rotary module, it's time to step up your game and unlock endless possibilities with CNC machining, laser engraving and cutting, and 3D printing. This is the ultimate desktop making experience. This is Snapmaker Artisan.